To separate hospital beds from each other, we use these aluminum extrusion curtain rails with these plastic rollers and curtain hooks. You know, it's difficult to work with apprentices until they grow some brain cells. So I'm gonna need 6 of these identical ones. Let's see if Jimmy can pull out 6 for me from this pile and bring it up to the shop. And I have 4 of them here on the floor, bending the same way. I asked Jimmy to get me 6 of these, so here is 4 of them, because it's important that they be turning the same way. So 4 of them turns, I don't know, from this side, 4 of them turns left and 2 of them turns right, of course. So these 2 are going back to the storage, and Jimmy is gonna take another trip to get 2 that actually turn left in this configuration. And an hour and a half later, looks like finally we've got 6 pieces on the shop floor of adequate length and identical orientation. Nice! Jimmy's learning to count. Yeah, thank you, Jimmy. Good work. Jimmy's got a weird name, some Chinese name. I think his name is Juan or something like that. What's your name, Jimmy?
No, my name is Juan.
Okay, there. Juan, exactly like I said. Okay, thank you, Jimmy. I see they've been marked for cutting. Well, they've been marked twice, but it's okay. We'll make sense out of it. Hey, after all, measure twice before you cut it. Nice. So that's done. The curtain rails installed with these hanger bars that are hollow inside. And for each curtain rail, I need 3 of these hanger rods. So that's 18 hanger rods for the 6 rails. Looks like we have lots. However, if 18 of them were cut to the same length, would be delightful, but it's too much to ask from Jimmy. So we have 15 of them cut short and 17 of them cut longer. Fantastic. So I can almost make it to 18. I guess I'm gonna cut down, I don't know, this one to be the 18th of the taller set. Yeah, we love you, Jimmy. So let's see, how's it looking, Jimmy? Wow, it's actually looking like it wasn't done by a 5-year-old. It looks almost professional. That's good. And Jimmy, you did a layout of these things on this side. Wow, I'm impressed. And if it works, it's a miracle. So how the hell did you do this? How did you get the spacing for these ones, Jimmy? Is this gonna work?
Well, I went 67 inches from that post to this post.
Yeah.
On the T-bar. Yeah. And I laid out everything like that.
67. Did you allow for the thickness of the these posts?
Of course.
Okay. How about these ones here?
Well,
these ones are not 67 inches.
Well, no, those one are like 13 inches apart.
13 inches
from the
T-bar. 13 inches. All right. Let's see how these work. If these work, it's a miracle, because it's gonna look nice and even. Made almost by a professional. Oh look, Jimmy, one of the curtain hooks fell off. Which one is it from? The first one, the second one, the third one? Did you put extras on?
Of course I put extra.
All right, I'm gonna count now. Good work, Jimmy. This is an extra. We'll just leave it off. Why not? So let's see what Jimmy accomplished here. Wow, it works. This is impressive. Jimmy, these work. Wow, the screws are from facing the same way, so I can see that they are all in. Wow, the clips are all consistently turned the same way. Brilliant work, Jimmy, I must say. Thank you very much, Jimmy. Thank you.
De nada, es un placer.
Oh, Jimmy, you and your Chinese language.